Hello, we are Blue Marble Security Enterprise. Our enterprise is a multidisciplinary enterprise that work on the projects from companies, the defense industry, and various sponsors. Currently, we are working with several sponsors, including Michigan Tech, General Motors, Oshkosh, and the U.S. Navy through 7 individual projects. Blue Marble Security is a student-run simulated company. That means students are able to take on leadership opportunities such as project management, financial management, and the overall decision-making process of the enterprise at large. Today, we are going to be talking about our 7 different projects and hopefully give you an insight of what our enterprise looks like.
This project is a General Motors cost-effective vision pick point system. The overall objective is to create a cost-effective picking system to be used in a manufacturing environment. As said earlier, this is sponsored by General Motors. We have implemented this entire thing using a Python codebase. The way this will work is we have trained a neural network to identify objects. These objects are a variety of different Lego blocks of different shapes, colors, and heights. The arm will then pick up and sort the blocks automatically at those different heights. In this video here, you can see that being demonstrated. The arm will identify a block, figure out what it is, go over, grab it, and then sort.
This project is GM Digital Twin. It is a project sponsored through General Motors. We do have an NDA, so I can't be too descriptive about what the project is, but it does involve using different CAD softwares with a new up-and-coming software known as Emulate 3D. This software allows for different factory floor plans to be placed into one file instead of many separate files. The project revolves around the study of the use and hardships of the software. So basically what we're doing is doing the research for GM to see if the software is worthy to be used in higher scale for them. When it comes to the uses, it's able to, as I said before, display the entire floor plans, but it also has VR capabilities, which we are exploring. This could be useful for seeing a product up close before building, as well as training. So GM Digital Twin allows for study of the Emulate 3D and going into more in-depth processes that this may bring.
So we do have 2 other projects with the U.S. Navy this semester that we can't talk about because they're classified. So they're both are kind of a intertwined project focused aboard operations aboard a submersible. So one is focused on power simulation and the other is focused on a programming aspect.
So our project with Oshkosh this semester is working to create an electric linear actuator for use in an extreme environment with significant dust and temperature requirements. It is under a sort of classification, so that's kind of all we can say, but we can show you the CAD models which we have here and our initial FEA, just no values for anything.
Hello, this is the High Density Mobile Shelving Unit Redesign Project, commonly called the Library Project. Our goal is, you can see the GIF up here, we are taking the current shelves that are in the bottom of the library and redesigning them because they are currently no longer working, a lot of them, as we would like them to. They are, the sensors are faulty, so our goal is to fix those in a cheap way because to redesign like 4 of them from the company we originally bought from is like $10,000. So we are obviously making that much cheaper. We have 2 teams. The electrical team is redesigning the sensors and all of the electrical components. And then the mechanical team is adding a mechanical crank override so that the shelves can be moved through human power in case of, power outages or just in general, because electrical is more likely to fail than the mechanical side, so we just have that good cushion. And then we are hoping to be able to combine those 2 and have a fully functioning new system that integrates both sides seamlessly and will be easy to repair for years to come.
We are Blue Marble Security Power Pack. Our goal is to redesign a Molly 2 military backpack frame, and we are adding an integrated battery power system within the frame. Our current prototype at full capacity has 210 amp hours. To put that in perspective, the average phone charger has about 10 amp hours, so this is 21 times bigger than most things people use to charge your phone or your laptop or anything. The batteries are contained within 2 trays within the frame, and it better distributes the weight on the person carrying it. The frame has the ability to withstand over 121 pounds of force, and it's validated through an FEA and a thermal simulation, and we're currently creating a full-scale prototype and a small-scale prototype of the battery system. It also has the ability to currently charge phones and laptops.